Good morning, everybody. Let's see. So, I just want to start off by sharing my screen. I hope you guys can hear me well. Blacksky Technology is up nearly 12% this morning. The stock deserves a lot more attention. The volume is finally picking up. It's higher than ever before, I would like to say. It's visibly noticeable too. If it loads, let's say. Oh, JD. JD should come back to these levels, I hope, and rally again. I think these dips are just little corrections in the market, but I mean, obviously, they still have their stimulus and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? Like the prices are gonna keep coming back up. I'm pretty sure a lot of people think. I guess we can't share charts like that in the minds and ideas of others. Let's say Nasdaq is down a little bit. Rich Tech Robotics. This is a major bargain. This is a major bargain. It's definitely going to bounce up to $1. I think $1.25. I'm not sure what's going on. If they're like pulling money, starting something up, but there was a lot of investor sentiment, and rally in September, the end of September. Um, let's see, we had September, 3 months, August, July also. So yeah, we had rallies of investors. Uh, the price was up to $1.25, $1.85, I believe, at one point. Rich Tech Robotics is definitely a company that can go far. We're here for Blacksky Technology. Okay, boom, 1 hour ago. Blacksky Technology shares rise on contract award worth up to 290 million, baby. Let's go. This is amazing. Down 43% in the last 12 months. Now remember that because I think they have the possibility, definitely have the, what do you call it, potential to go up a 43% in the incoming 12 months, especially with like partners like Palantir, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I believe they share data analysis together, and that makes sense because of what they do. I mean, it says right here, Black Sky expects to provide analytic services that detect and identify objects of interest such as aircraft, ships, vehicles, shipping containers, using its current and future time diverse satellite constellation to provide change monitoring services over critical infrastructure. So they are the eyes in the sky, eyes in the sky. It looks like, wow, Seeking Alpha, damn, dude, they're gonna start surging like crazy. Seeking Alpha covered them. It says Oppenheimer bullish coverage. The research firm thinks the company has optimized its satellites to balance quality with very low cost in its cameras, telescopes, antennas, user interface, and AI. The latter is helped by a decade of data. Blacksky. So they've had 3 straight quarters of positive adjusted EBITDA too. Just so you guys know, like that's another crazy thing I heard on the earnings call. Their last earnings call like 3 weeks ago. I think it was released on one of the channels on YouTube. If you look it up, so BKSY has created the market of global high resolution imaging almost hourly with unique software AI to easily capture and analyze images. To date, no peer has come close to these capabilities at this cost. Wow, that's crazy. That's good to know. So they're going to be crucial for war. They're going to be crucial for today's society. They're going to be crucial for all kinds of shit. That's probably why these contracts are going up. Time of war, I mean, unfortunately, we could have environmental changing outlook on, the future because of war. And that sucks, but companies like them will be able to notice these changes. It says we see this as a large $80 billion plus market growing 12% per year. Its space data as a service is set to improve with its launch of its first generation 3 satellites coming this quarter. So Oppenheimer said that on their report. That's amazing, honestly. Fuck yeah. I love the acknowledgement from the elders. Finally, the research. I've been holding this stock off and on for like the past. I don't even want to know. Like the past since I had. I want to say since I had Robinhood. So no, actually, that's not true because they were newer. So, like, yeah, this was a stock I found after COVID, post COVID, definitely. Let's see. So, the research expects the company to grow revenues from $500 million range in the next 7 years, and with that, they're going to be getting about $100 million each year. And they also noted that the company currently has $1.3 billion in high quality committed contracts. And that's going to look closer to $2 billion in awards um, with the opportunities. So they also have a long term revenue forecast of 20% per year with very low incremental operating expenses. So they're about to take off. Look at this. Blacksky has a price target of $10, implying an upside of more than 120%. Stock has lost more than half of its value so far this year, but that's because I think they haven't been shouting it out. You know what I mean? Like my guys haven't been covering it. But I mean, now they're covering it. They have it all over. Blacksky Technologies, I think they are the next Palantir. They definitely are going to kill it with this Gen 3 satellites.